can I make a booking as a travel agent? Hotels by Day offers a 7% commission on the net booking rate to all travel agents. To qualify for the commission, you just have to follow these few simple steps. First, click on Sign In on the top of the page. A window will pop up. Click on Sign Up Now at the bottom of the window. Then, please insert your email and create a password. To complete your profile, please fill in all requested information on the Profile tab. Don't forget to click on the IATA box and fill in your travel agent information. Please note that the sign-up page grants loyalty points per booking. Yet, as a travel agent, you do not qualify for loyalty points, but rather for a 7% commission per booking. How to make a booking? Sort through the hotel listing on hotelsbyday.com. Select the hotel you wish to book for your customer. Click on Book. Once on the confirmation page, you first fill in your customer's information. It must match the ID of the checking-in guest, as well as adding their email address and phone number in case of emergencies. Then, in the middle of the page, you will see that your travel agent information is already pre-filled. Once all the information is given, click on Confirm Now, and you will receive a duplicate copy of the booking. The original will go to your customer for her or his check-in. All bookings are confirmed via Hotels by Day, and all payments are made at the hotel. If you wish to arrange a full payment of the room ahead of your customer's stay, then please notify us via email at least 48 hours in advance. You can notify us at frontdesk@hotelsbyday.com. Tell us that you're a travel agent wishing to confirm the stay of your guest, and we will handle the paperwork at the hotel. Finally, earned commissions are paid 60 to 90 days after the stay. Our team will send you an email asking the payment method you prefer. If your commission amount is less than $100, we will not be able to cut a check. Instead, we offer to pay you via Venmo or PayPal. You also have the possibility to accumulate your commissions until you reach $100 or more, and then a check will be sent to you. Remember, you can always contact us at frontdesk@hotelsbyday.com. Thank you for booking with Hotels by Day, your travel agent-friendly day room platform.